Hey, how's it going today? I'm shooting a review for the 6.5-inch Westinghouse. This is going to be a surface cleaner that you can get on Amazon. This thing works great. So, as you can see here, I got a really dirty driveway. I'm doing this with one hand. It floats due to the rollers. I got put down a bleach mixture before this, but it's not even attached to a big pressure washer. The pressure washer that I've got it on, we got plastic balls everywhere. Here's the 2900. But anyways, scoots around, does a good job. Watch it clean this. It's pretty much effortless, as opposed to like having to sit there and spray a bunch. So obviously I'm just kind of making circles, having fun for the video. So I would recommend it. Go out and get yourself one.